Haven't you heard? Haven't you heard? That bio is live, bio is live. Especially with the bio bro. The bio bro. The bio bro. The bio bro. Especially in the bio bro show.
Isn't Bio alive or what?
Message for you, son.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bio Bro, and welcome to the 7th video on mollusks, aka from the phylum Mollusca. Boom! That's what we shall do today. That'll make sense in a bit. Alright, so mollusks include like squids, snails, and a huge variety of organisms. One thing they have in common though is that they have a complete digestive tract, meaning food goes in one end and waste products go out the other. So pretty much like every bilateral species. And they have bilateral symmetry as well. And that's it, pretty much. Boom. Alright, so here we have the mollusk. Before I show you the 3 types of mollusks there are, first I will show you the mollusk itself. Well, basically like the basic anatomy of it. So basically here we have the mantle cavity in the blue. The mantle is the shell. And there's the stomach growing the yellow. There's the digestive gland. There's the foot. And there's the anus right down there, which gets out the waste products. Salivary glands, and then there's the mouth, and there's the radula, and the yellow. And yeah, that's pretty much the basic mollusk anatomy. There's the crop and the yellow, by the way. Let's get down to the 3 types of mollusks. The gastropods, which are like snails. There's the bivalves, aka the pelecypods, which are clams and stuff. Then there are the cephalopods, which are the squid. The unique thing about the gastropod is that they live both in land and in water. The pelecypods these guys are filter feeders in marine ecosystems, and they have a soft body protected by 2 shells. And then we got the cephalopod, which are basically they're the most well-developed nervous system, and they're carnivores that eat crustaceans, fish, and other mollusks. But if that's the case, why does Squidward work for Mr. Krabs and not the other way around? I mean, why does Squidward work for Mr. Krabs? I mean, is he really that bad with jobs? Because that's totally... I mean, seriously, Squidward should have been the boss in the natural world, considering, you know, squids eat crabs. But, yeah, you know. Then again, what cephalopod can play the clarinet like Squidward? Alrighty, so that about does it for our mollusk video today. And I think I did a pretty good job. I snailed it just as much as I would.
Nailed it!
I know, right? That was totally...
Like a mouse!
Yeah. So, yeah, that's our video for you know, the mollusks from the phylum Mollusca. Next up will be our video on echidnoderms from the phylum Echoderma or something. Anyways, later. Have a good day, guys, and stay pumped up for that video. In the meantime, bye bye.
Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a